Pop into the V, yarn over, pull through, and slip it right through the loop on your hook. And that's a slip stitch. Next up, the single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops at once. For a half double crochet, start by yarn over once, insert your hook into the V, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. And there you have a half double crochet. For a double crochet, yarn over first, pop into the V, yarn over, pull through. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2, and there's your double crochet. Next up, we're gonna work a triple crochet. First, yarn over twice, just like this. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Then pop into the V, yarn over, and pull through. Now you can see 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over again, pull through the next 2. And one last time, yarn over and pull through the final 2. That's 3 yarn overs total. And there we go, you've made a triple crochet. Now we're gonna work a treble crochet. This time, we need to yarn over 3 times on the hook. 1, 2, 3. Then pop into the V, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2. Keep going, yarn over and pull through 2. And one last time, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 4 yarn overs total, and there we go, we've made a treble crochet.